Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on auto night mode in the Telegram app. And before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Telegram app, and here it opens up in the chats where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, tap on settings, then in settings tap on chat settings. And in chat settings we scroll down, and here under chat list swipe gesture we find auto night mode. If you turn this on, it will change the appearance of the app to night mode when it is in the evening, so after like 8 p.m. and then we won't have the strong white light of the app in the evening, so we can sleep more easily. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.